joy Home Remedies brings you. 10 surprising uses for shaving cream you didn't know. We all know what shaving cream is used for, well, shaving. However, there are several different and surprising ways to use shaving cream that go beyond getting rid of your stubble. This time, we've dug up 10 surprising ways to use shaving cream around the home. So let's get right to it. Number 1. Prevent foggy mirrors. Foggy mirrors are so annoying, right? Especially if you're trying to do anything in your bathroom after you take a shower. Check out this great use for shaving cream. Before you shower, just put some shaving cream all over your mirror and wipe it off with a washcloth. It will stop it from fogging up so you won't waste time waiting for the mirror to clear up to start shaving, or have trouble peering through wipe streaks created by your towel. Problem solved. Number 2. Clean your glasses. You can also use the fog trick on your glasses and sunglasses. Put a dab of shaving cream on each lens and wipe off with a clean, dry cloth. The fingerprints and dirt will instantly disappear. Number 3. Clean your sneakers. Scuffs on your sneakers aren't pretty. You can remove scuffs and dirt by lathering shaving cream on them and wiping them with a dry washcloth or towel. They'll be good as new. Number 4. Remove stains. That's right, another use for shaving cream is cleaning your carpet. If juice gets spilled on your carpet, put some shaving cream on the spot. Blot the stain, pat it with a wet sponge, squirt some shaving cream on it and then wipe clean with a damp sponge. Just be sure to test an inconspicuous spot on your carpet to test for discoloration beforehand. Use the same technique on your clothes for small stains. Shaving cream can remove that spot of breakfast you discovered you're wearing during your once-over in the bathroom. Number 5. Break in a baseball glove. There are several different tips and tricks for breaking in a baseball glove, but here's a much simpler method. Put some shaving cream into your new baseball glove, put a baseball in it, wrap the glove with a rubber band, and let it sit for several hours. Easy as that. Number 6. Shine your jewelry. You can also give your old jewelry a quick refreshing shine with a little shaving cream. Apply a dab of shaving cream to a toothbrush. Gently brush your jewelry, then rinse it in clean water and let it air dry, or polish it with a soft cloth. And bam! Number 7. Clean your shower. The smell of cleaning products can be really harsh, and they can give most people a serious headache. Instead of using harsh chemical-laden products to clean your shower, just apply shaving cream. It takes off all the grime and doesn't leave you feeling woozy afterwards. Number 8. Fix squeaky hinges. Have a squeaky door in your house. It can be incredibly annoying. Apply some shaving cream to the hinges and listen to the newfound silence. With its ability to seep into nooks and crannies, a little shaving cream on the hinge will solve the problem. Number 9. Clean your dirty hands. The next time your hands get dirty on a camping trip, save that hard-lugged water for cooking and drinking. Squirt a little shaving cream into your hands and rub as hard as you would liquid soap. Then wipe your hands off with a towel. And if you managed to get dirt under your nails, just put some shaving cream on your nails and use a toothpick to get them squeaky clean. Number 10. Remove nail polish from your skin. Girls, this one is for you. I don't know about you, but most girls I know end up with nail polish all over their fingers whenever they're painting their nails at home. If this happens to you, don't lose your cool. Just wait patiently until your nails are completely dry. Then, apply shaving cream onto your hands and scrub for a minute and rinse. Your paint job will look like it was done by a pro. So, yeah? As you can see, this stockpile staple can be used to clean more than just scruff. Buy some in bulk, keep it around the house, and utilize this list of creative ways it can be used. Have you used shaving cream for anything other than shaving before? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, slam a like on it, and share it with your friends. It really helps us out. And if you want to see more videos from us, hit the subscribe button. Also, don't forget to click on the little bell to stay up to date. Thanks for watching.